Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and set up a shop on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that matter, what you have to do is first you're gonna go ahead, download yourself an Etsy seller app, and you can do it from the Etsy shopping app of course. Once you have get the seller app, go ahead, sign in, and if you haven't, then simply register yourself, create an account. Once you have created an account, then you can tap on this sale on Etsy. Once I tap on it, it will give you an option of setting up your seller shop. You can set, first you have to enter the location and the currency you would like to sell and receive the money, and then choose a shop name for you, or you can use already had an idea of your shopping you're selling, so you're gonna add your particular name, then add your products that you want to sell over there, and then you have to set a payment and a billing method for you wherever that you want to get the receive the payment. And you have to set up the shipping options, what shipping options you have. Is it like a home delivery or pickup, whatever. And the other would be simply customizing your storefront, how it's gonna look like. You can simply customize according to your need, and to add more attraction and the more hype for you, store would be simply going live. And if you have some offers going on yet, you can simply put them on your announcements. That is the way you can set up yourself a shop on Etsy and sell your stuff. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.